First help level for Solana certainly is at $28.20 in a significant manner. Solana for the most part is by esteemed at $73.24 SOL cost streaks, indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which really is very critical. Solana's EMA10 for the most part shows a vertical pattern in a significant manner. 17 December 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is transient cost expectation for Solana, sort of is SOL a sort of wise venture? Or so they generally thought. Solana support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the SOL specialized examination, sort of allowed us truly to discuss the all things considered, current economic situations, showing how Solana support and obstruction levels and so on. Or so they for the most part thought. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,590,508,773,070, which really is very critical. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $47,266,939,707 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,931.87 level after a decay of 1.69%, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value reduction of 1.26%, coming to $2,227.65 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.32, following a value change of 1.39% within a similar time span, which fundamentally is very critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere near 0.87 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, which truly is very huge. Furthermore, Solana came to $73.24 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 4.71% in esteem, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market in every way that really matters is going in a for the most part descending course for kind of present moment, pretty further appearance how first help level for Solana truly is at $28.20 in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, and in every practical sense, general in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of shows that Solana's EMA10, for the most part, shows a vertical pattern in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Solana backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially is very huge. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Fundamentally further appearance how support especially is a level at which purchasers by and large become genuinely more really dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any really further in a genuinely significant manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers basically move fundamentally dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that 17 December 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified some pressing issues, facts, what most certainly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Solana, in every practical sense, is SOL a truly wise interest in a quite huge manner. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Solana, SOL, Solana execution. The cost of Solana, SOL, generally is at $73.24, down 4.71% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and in every way that really matters, has a value change of 0.15% over the course of the week. So Solana basically is as of now esteemed at $73.24 SOL cost streaks, indications of negativity on 7 days cost outlined in a sort of huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 1,476,163,930.00 United States dollars, while certainly all-out market cap came to $31,325,679,264 United States dollars, which fundamentally shows that Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner. There truly are very nearly 427,739,464 generally are available for use out of 565,044,861, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value decline of 1.26%, coming to $2,227.65 during the past 24 hours in an especially enormous manner. Solana Value Investigation Sol Cost Examination for 17 December 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, especially made sense of beneath, kind of additional appearance, how the exceptionally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $47,266,939,707, which most certainly is genuinely critical. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving most certainly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every way that really matters, normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Solana. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking essentially. The Sol United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, marker, sort of is showing a sort of momentary sell sort of sign, as the MACD line essentially is moving beneath kind of sign line which in a real sense implies for the most part bears in every way that really matters are overwhelming on the lookout. Fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. While Sol's Williams %R pointer truly is at 49.481 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, pretty sign especially is certainly conceivable at this reach, kind of additional appearance how similarly. Opposition sort of is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that 17 December 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these regularly essentially sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what generally is genuinely transient cost expectation for Solana, explicitly is Sol a genuinely wise venture, which really is very huge. The especially relative strength record, RSI, for Sol coin explicitly is presently drifting at 31 for 14 days in every way that really matters, normal line, which explicitly implies Sol explicitly is simply